In the last video, you learned about searching the internet and navigated to the Google search engine. In this video, you will search the internet for activities to do with a friend. Search engines look through thousands of websites in a matter of seconds, so you find what you are looking for quickly. If you completed the previous activity and used Google Docs to make a list of activities you might do with a friend, use one of those ideas for your internet search. If you didn't do that activity, that's okay. Search for anything you might do with a friend, like going to the movies. To start, go to the tab in your browser with the Google search engine open, or open a new tab and go to www.google.com. Keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth between the two. Switching between tabs is especially useful when you're doing more than one activity at a time in your browser, like watching a video and searching the internet. Now, click in the search bar. Then type in a word or phrase to search for. The words or phrases you type in are called search terms. The search engine will return different results depending on what you type in. You might need to try different search terms to find what you are looking for. If you would like to see a movie with your friend, you might try search terms like movies or movie theaters. Or you might be more specific and search for action movies or horror movies. After you type in your search terms, press the Enter key or the Google search button. The search engine returns a list of results about the search terms you typed in. You might see a list of movies currently playing in theaters, news items about specific movies, or websites that talk about movies in general. Choose another activity from the list in your document, or come up with something else you would like to do with a friend. Type in different search terms about the activity and see what comes up in your search results. In the next video, you will refine your search terms so you find more specific information about things to do. Now, it's your turn. Open Google Search in a new browser tab. Click on the search bar. Type in search terms to look for information about 2 different activities you would like to do with a friend. Move on to the next video.